Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to book a hotel on Agoda using a credit card step by step. This is useful if you want to reserve accommodation online quickly and securely. Let's get started. Agoda is a travel booking service owned by Booking Holdings that allows users to book hotels, resorts, apartments, and flights worldwide. Here's how to book a hotel using a credit card. Step 1. Open the Agoda website or app. First, open the Agoda website in your browser or launch the Agoda mobile app. Sign in to your account or create one if you don't already have it. Step 2. Search for a destination. On the home page, enter your destination city, check-in date, and check-out date. Also select the number of guests and rooms, then click Search. Step 3. Choose a hotel. Agoda will display a list of available hotels. Browse through the results, compare prices, ratings, and amenities. Click on the hotel you want to book. Step 4. Select a room. On the hotel page, choose the room type you prefer. Check the room details, cancellation policy, and price. Then click Reserve or Book Now. Step 5. Enter guest information. Fill in the required details such as guest name, email address, phone number. Make sure the information is accurate. Step 6. Choose credit card payment. In the payment section, select credit card as the payment method. Agoda accepts major cards like Visa and MasterCard. Step 7. Enter credit card details. Enter your credit card information including card number, card holder name, expiration date, security code, CVV, then review the booking summary. Step 8. Confirm the booking. Click Complete Booking. Once the payment is processed, Agoda will confirm your reservation. Step 9. Receive booking confirmation. You will receive an email with your booking details and hotel information. You can also view the booking in the My Booking section of your account. Important tip: always check the cancellation policy before confirming your booking so you know whether the reservation is refundable or non-refundable. And that's it. That's how you book a hotel on Agoda using a credit card, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical travel and booking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.